In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your AI laugh using ElevenLabs. To start off, let's log into your ElevenLabs account. If you don't have one already, you'll need to create an account on their website. Make sure your login credentials are at hand for a smooth entry. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. You'll notice several options available, but today, our focus is going to be on the text-to-speech feature, so let's head over there. Upon clicking the text-to-speech option, you'll see an easy-to-use interface where you can begin writing your script. This is where the magic happens, and you get to create content that interacts with its audience differently. Think of a script that you want the AI to narrate. As you're writing, remember the goal is to make your AI laugh. Consider the tone and pacing of your script. Making sure it's set up correctly is key to delivering humor effectively. Now, to incorporate laughter, you can simply write out the laugh you want the AI to articulate. Would you like a subtle chuckle or perhaps a grand infectious laugh? This step is where you need to decide the type of laugh that best suits your content. Be descriptive in the script to communicate clearly how the laugh should sound. For instance, if you're envisioning a hearty laugh, you might input something like ha ha ha, with notes as needed to suggest it's a deep belly laugh. Once your script is all set and you're satisfied with your input, it's time to bring it to life. You do this by clicking on the Generate button, conveniently located on the page. This action initiates the AI's process of transforming your written script into an audio performance. Now, patience is a virtue, so give it a moment as it generates the audio. Once it finishes, take a moment to listen to the results. How does it sound? Is the laughter exactly what you were hoping for? If not, don't worry. You can always edit your script and try generating the audio again until you're satisfied with the final outcome. The flexibility of ElevenLabs allows you to tweak and perfect your audio to suit your needs. And there you have it. You've just learned how to make your AI laugh using ElevenLabs. As you become more familiar and comfortable with these steps, you can experiment more with different kinds of laughter and even add other elements that might enrich your scripts. Remember, creativity is your ally here, and with a little practice, you can get really good at crafting engaging and entertaining scripts. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.